So as you can see, I'm on the official Twitter handle of Bybit, and this particular project I'm going to promote today is a project that is already listed on Bybit. Let me show you guys a tweet from Bybit. So if you come down here, you will see this particular tweet. Let me just click it. You will see that this particular pop-up app is listed on Bybit already, and withdrawal is already available on Bybit. This post was made around 2 days ago, should I say, 24th of October. So that is it. So as you can see, Bybit just tweeted about this particular project being listed on their platform. And if you go over to the main social media handle of the platform, you see that they also have 284,000 followers, and you can see what they tweet about. But let's dive into the main video of the day: how to get the airdrop and other things that follows it. But wait, just give me a few seconds of your time, and that seconds of your time I just need you to hear me out. My name is Viking, and this is my channel where I drop updates about legit projects that is going to help you make money online by participating in airdrop or doing some things that helps me to make money online, because this is my project, this is my hustle, this is where I make a living, and also me sharing it to you guys is also good. And what I really want from you guys is just help my channel to grow. I'm craving to have 5k subscribers, at least to see my channel having 5k plus subscribers. What I need you to do is to just click on this subscribe button over here, and then drop a like on each video that you help me to watch. This your likes is going to help the channel, YouTube, be like, oh, people are getting value from this video, why not share it more, why not us promote it more to people. It's not going to affect your account in anything. So I beg you guys to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon like this. Then once you're done with it, tell me what you think about the project that I'm promoting, the video you're watching, in the comment section. Tell me now, what do you think about this project? Are you really gonna make money on it? Or maybe once you're done watching the video, let's see. And without further ado, let's dive into the main video of the day. So there's a link in the description of this video. Once you click on this link, it's going to take you to their website, and the website is going to show you if you are using iPhone or if you are using Android. So each other way, you have your Apple Store, and they'll also show you Play Store. Then when you click on the Play Store side, it's going to show you this particular site, and next thing you have to do is to click on install. Mind you, the app is around 117 MB, so you got to have enough MB to download it. So what I have to do now is to click on OK, and now wait for the download to get done. So once you're done downloading the app and you open it, it's going to look like this. You guys remember when I keep on telling you guys that social media app in the Web3 system is another big deal for you. So you have to engage and grow your accounts on many social media app in the Web3 system, because why? They are going to reward you for using their app. So as you can see, this is a social media app. It's a brand new app, and you need to navigate, build your space here, and earn while you are also liking posts, following people following you, and other things in between. So first thing you have to do is to go ahead and create accounts. So I will click on continue with email. So I'm gonna continue with email, enter my email, do the registration required, and then come back to you. So when you're doing registration, they are gonna send you an email like this as a verification email. Just so you have to do is copy it like this, and then head back to the app. So once you're done registering, it's gonna look like this. So let's go ahead and see how you can navigate and earn from the project. So I think the first thing you need to do is to click on this particular place. It says create pop ID. So if you click on create pop ID, it's gonna ask you, let's see how it's going to go. So I will click on create pop ID over here, and then I will enter my pop ID. So my name is Zuiking, and I will always be using Zuiking as any identification needed in the project. So I don't know why I'm having issue writing this Zuiking over here. So I think this is it. So English letter and 6 to rows only. Special letters, ID must be unique. So I think Zubi King is good. Let me click on confirm. Okay, let me just continue it, chat. So okay, if I click on confirm over here, you see that cannot be changed once you accept. So I click on yes, and then you can see now my ID have been successfully created. So for those of you that would like to follow me, because you earn by following, those of you that is going to follow me, just once you're done signing up, with the link in the description of the video, make sure you enter, search for Zubi King and follow me, and I will follow you back instantly. So I think the next thing you have to do is to click on this particular invite friends over here. Don't worry, you're not yet inviting anybody. Instead, you are using my referral code. My referral code is going to pop up in the screen right here, or you can also check it in the first comment or in the description of this video. You are using it to get a sign up bonus for being referred by me. So just like I'm entering the invite code of the person that invited me, what I have to do now is to just, once I'm done entering my own invite code, I'm just going to click on this bind over here, and as you can see, within some seconds it's going to bind for me, load up a bit, and then let's see how it goes. As you can see, they said now operation is successful. Now you can also invite someone and ask the person to bind your invite code by just copying your invite code after asking them to download the app and all that, and after they're registered, copy your invite code, send it to them just like I'm giving it to you guys, and then once you're done with it, you have gotten your first reward. So now we are going to be looking at the ways to earn by doing one or two things in the platform. So if you click on this particular P over here, it's going to show you some things. So what you have to do is to click on this one icon over here, this particular one over here on the top. Then you see the things you need to do for you to go ahead for you to earn this their PPT token. So what I have to do, what you have to consider, says daily task is post new post for 5. If you post 5 new posts a day, it's going to give you 5 pp. Like 5 posts, it's going to give you 10 pp. Follow creator is going to give you 1, and you have to do it maximum of 10 times per day, and repost and then post comments. All these things you're going to be doing it maximum of 10 times per day. So we are going to go over it right now. So if I click on go over, it's going to show me what I need to post. So I'm going to share a little thing like the trading I'm going to do. Let me just post it and share it here. So as you can see, I just made a post. I posted about the current trade that I'm doing this morning, and I showed it and I wrote, this is my early morning trade, present dollars for me already, and that is true. If you want to make money by trading the crypto market, follow me for a free signal. So I'm going to be dropping free signal here. I will try my best to be dropping free signal here. Any trade that I'm going to trade, I will just drop it here. Remember, trading is 50-50 game. You can lose and you can earn, so don't put all your money inside it. But that is by the way. So if you can follow me, you can be getting free trading signal from me just by following me on this particular page. So what I have to do now is to post the post that I just made, and then let's do it again for 5 times. So the daily task I have gotten one of the daily tasks, so I will do another series of posts and series of posts. So I make up to 5 posts, then I will know how they will give me this particular one. So after completing the first daily task, as you can see now, I don't have a claim button over here for just making 5 posts per day. So what I have to do now is to click on claim over here. Okay, it says it's coming soon. So and also I like 5 posts, 10 posts, and it's still showing me coming very soon. So I don't really know what really happened, but we're just not going to back down. As you can see, the more you interact with the app, the more points you get. As you can see, I just got 5.71 points over here. So it says when you reach 10 points, 10 ppt, you're going to withdraw it to your wallet, and then we will then know how to withdraw it and trade it on our trading account, that Bybit account. So that is just it.